I mean, does that flame seem good to you?
Yo, Jermaine, what's the word? I got a new number, delete that old one. By now, I'm sure you must have heard about how I got jammed up and had to sit some. It's nothing, no, I did longer biz. This was a quick one. I never hit you because I know niggas be playing victim. Sums of dough when income's low, that ain't my style, it'll never be. To me, you'll always be my dog, not a celebrity. And plus, you did enough, wide me bands way back when it was rough. Last night when it was dusk, ran in the chips on the cross street. You know how he be moving like he in a rush. Told him come through to the crib over at 8 Mount Hills. We sat in my living room where then we lit a Dutch. I ain't even know that he smoked like that. Drank a few beers, it's been years since we joked like that. Yo, I see Brina on the gram, she don't post like that, but boy, she still bad. One of the baddest bitches the field had. A lot of these hoes falling off, and it's real sad how time can rob us of our best days as we slave for